Hey partners, this is the second relay at 1,000 yards in Gagetown, Batoche Range. And I'm shooting at the FTR target, ICFRA. So any score I get one up. Alright John, I'm gonna take 12 shots here. You can shoot after I'm done. I'm gonna try something different here. I think I got quarter right. Half right. I'm gonna shoot the 46.4 Sierras 2156. The one on the previous match was the 46.0.
I wasn't trying to...
Alright, let's see how I do here. Oh, that's a little tight to close. So I got half right.
What make is What make is your one?
Tikka.
Tikka?
TCX.
That's a bit high.
Very similar to one I've got. Mine is
I go 1 minute down
Savage, Joe, Elite, something or other.
and 3/4 right.
Stock looks very similar.
Five.
Oh, that's not a Sinclair bike.
Oh,
That's a Versapod from 30 years ago.
I'm gonna go half up.
Yeah, I think this was selling, but not like that.
I'll convert that one.
It's pretty wildly compared to most rides.
So it should be about 1 minute right. Let's go 1 minute right.
yeah. Most people are buying those Atlas ones that cost a pound. He's got a Harris with a swivel.
Oh, that was quick.
I bought a...
Five.
I haven't used it. I don't know if that
Well,
will.
with Vexine,
That looks good enough for me. I'll keep it there.
got to shoot off.
Well, I
Like
concluded I can't do that anyway.
How good the gun is or your ammo, because the reticles wave them in the wind.
Yeah, I sort of reached a conclusion I should just sell a gun. Waste of time.
Yeah, the stuff to do is practice get the gun steady. With a sling.
Okay. That's a 3.
I mean, you see him on YouTube going around with
Yeah.
Put one on your
Yeah.
belt.
See that flag? Jesus.
He looks like a Michelin man.
Yeah. There's all kinds of fancy bags on them.
I'm gonna go left.
That's too contrived for me. I know some kind of field expedient wrist, but when in some kind of a contrived dedicated bag,
So 0.
hard to buy into that.
Yeah, there you go.
Half a minute left. And it's changing.
Read about it. This guy's a backpacker. All these guys.
Not fully though. So I'm gonna go right. 0. 0 win.
So it won't be shooting the wind.
I can't get in those positions anyways. The gun is really heavy. Doesn't help.
No, I find that's the hardest with the weight of the gun.
Up by half a target.
You see, they have 22 shoots once in a while, but we are out to the 22.
Yeah.
Now, I think that's something
That's a 5.
you can do better at. The gun's not here as heavy.
Manage that, yeah.
Yeah.
Mind you, dedicated to the DRS probably weighs 10 pounds.
Yeah, that's true too, yeah.
Now the flag is going the other way. Kind of. It flipped. So it should be my first one was 1 minute right. I'm not gonna go 1 minute right. I'm gonna go half right. The flags are standing now. Jesus, should have went more.
Always heard long.
I don't think Burgess is around 27, 8 or something like that.
Leaving the barrel.
I got a brand new magnetoscope this week, but I haven't had a chance to try it out. It kind of goes on the barrel.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna go one right.
When this is all over, I'll have time to do measurements.
And it will show you what your speed is at the target.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, or an 8 or a jack.
I'm supposed to change the point of impact.
What?
Oh yeah, yeah.
3. I just went half a minute. Oh yeah, now standing up. So 0. 0.
Better than 0.
Wow.
Flags are up now. So 3. With 1 right. The 2 at the back are up. And those are facing forward. So I'm not gonna correct because they're all facing forward now.
So we fired
Keep it at 1 right.
under 20 shots.
There we go. It's a 5.
Usually, you only get like 1 shot. Every guy shoots or
Yeah. Bang, bang, bang.
There we go this time. Oh, went low. That was probably me.
Yeah. I mean, he's got a 6.5 and that's very low.
42.
You half open and shoot quite low, right?
46.3. Still facing pit. Alright, let's make a better shot.
My load's real hot at all. harder.
Yeah.
Still carrying pretty good anyway.
Yeah.
What I plan to do for TRS is get a cast bullet load. Usually at say 1,100 feet a second.
Oh yeah.
And then just practice all.
So this was bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 39. It's worse than my first, really. 39-0. Yeah, that was terrible. Those were big changes. Kind of getting confused a bit with the F9. Oh well, I think it'd be the same anyways with the other one. Went so strong.
45, 70 will do it.
If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe.